It was all upside down.
You are now ready to sharpen your pencil. This is done by first inserting the pencil into
The hardest part.
sharpening device and slowly moving it horizontally towards the device, and then rotating the device. Oh my gosh. Seriously?
Professional, Sam, professional. If you act like you're real.
Once you've chosen the appropriate size setting for your wooden writing utensil, please insert the pencil. Once it is moved close to the sharpener, then you may rotate the device until it clicks into until it clicks into place. This is a serious video. Serious. Sharpening device like so, and moving it horizontally towards the device. Doesn't look right.
Stop laughing. It's funny if you don't laugh.